Hey YouTube, it's JNTech. Today I will be unboxing the Elago AirPods Pro case. The one I got is in Jean Indigo. It just came today and the box is smashed. This model doesn't come with the carabiner. They also have other colors and models that come with the carabiner, as well as a retro Game Boy and MP3 player cases. So I got this to replace my old AirPods Pro case that I got off of eBay for $3. It's pretty loose, as you can see. And yeah, this should help fix the problem. I also did a little modification with this. There was this hinge cover, so I cut it off because I prefer it without the hinge cover. And yeah, let's open the case right now. So there's a pull tab right here. It's a two-piece case. There's instructions right here. There's also adhesive tape, but I don't think I'm going to use it. Oh, it also has a dust cover. So yeah, let's remove this. Let's get all this out of the way. As you can see, the Elago is much thicker and should protect it better. So yeah, let's put it on. The fit on this is way snug. Look, it's a great fit. Yeah, I don't think I need any adhesive strips for this, as it's on here pretty snug. So yeah, let's see the top now. Hopefully it's also snug. Yep, it is. Let's try to align this perfectly. So I got this on and it's pretty snug. You can also see the LED light through the case. It's pretty soft, it's silicone. There's also an indent for the pairing button behind. As you can see, it's aligned perfectly, and then the dust covers right here. So I am considering cutting this off, but I'm not sure yet. That's pretty much it. It's much thicker. It will protect my AirPods better from drops, and most importantly, it will stay on. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy. Leave a like and subscribe.